The Angular chart library requires that the data be provided to the chart in a very specific format, so some data manipulation is required. The chart data must be defined as an array of XY coordinate properties, so you have to transform the data to the chart's desired format. This example creates an array of chart data for the amounts chart. It loops through each product in the list of products. It adds the product name to the X property. This is for the X, or horizontal, axis. The Y property is defined with an array containing the cost, price, and margin amount. This defines the Y, or vertical axis, amounts. Let's add the data manipulation for both charts now. We are back in WebStorm with the Price Analytics controller open. We'll paste in the code from the slide. This code loops through the filtered products and populates an array containing the X and Y coordinates. The X coordinate is the product name. The Y coordinate is an array containing each series, cost, price, margin amount. Next, we can define the data amount variable used by the AC data directive in the view. We'll add that variable to the scope. This variable contains an object with two properties. The series property is an array containing the name of each data series. Data is the data object containing the X and Y coordinates. The code for the second chart is similar. The second chart only contains one set of data, so has only one series defined. The last thing we need to do is add the configuration information for each chart. Let's do the first chart first. The website for the Angular chart provides the list of configuration options. This code specifies a title, turns on tooltips, turns off labels, does not define any event functions, and specifies a legend. This information is added to the config amount variable on $scope. The second chart has a similar configuration. The only thing that's different here is the title. Now we have everything that we need here in the controller. Let's give it a try. We'll run the application, select Price Analytics. Voila! The chart even has some cool animation. Let's refresh and watch that again. Cool. Now management can easily see that they need to sell more of those video game controllers. Charting is relatively easy with these libraries. Use charts to help management visualize the data in your application.